Hey, welcome back! Today we're making this little flower. I think it's super cute and you can easily incorporate it in your jewelry. I'm starting with 12 2mm beads. Now take the left side of the cord and pass it through the last two beads, so both ends are crossed. Then you end up with a circle like this. For the petals, add 5 more beads. Now pull your cord through the second bead. It should look like this. And that's your first petal. Now pass your cord through the next 2 beads. So you add a petal to every second bead of the circle. Here's the repetition. Add 5 beads and pass the cord through the second bead. Now through the next 2 and repeat. Add your last petal and cross the cord through the last bead. Like always, I make 2 tight knots and seal them with clear nail polish. Now you can take this flower and attach it to earrings or maybe a necklace. If you want to make a ring, just take another piece of cord and pass it through 1 bead of a petal. Now add your beads. Once the ring is long enough, connect it to the other side of the flower. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. And like always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you next time!